I'm Joe, Fleet Manager at Silchuk Transport. Today we're going to go over the idle smart systems installed in our trucks. Let's go. On our trucks there is a kill switch for the idle smart system. That is to turn it on and off. You want to leave it on at all times. On the Kenworth and the Volvo, they're located on the left side of the steering wheel. On this particular truck, which is a Kenworth, you can see there's two buttons over here. Right here is the round button. It says on and off. Make sure it's on. It is a keyless system, so it will work with the key, not the ignition. From there, we go back to the bunk, to the tablet. In the back of the bunk, there is a tablet. Lower side, there is a power button. Unlock it. It's a low power charge. Open the Idle Smart app. From here, you got your cabin comfort and our battery protect. At 12.2 volts, this system will automatically start the truck and run for about 20 minutes to recharge the batteries. Our cabin comfort, we turn that on, right here, turn on button. It automatically starts the truck. You can use the plus and minus buttons here to change the temperature. It has a 5-degree temperature range. Go back, truck is running. Now to change your fan temperature to build temperature, the controls are up in the front. So your temperature control to build the temperature and maintain it, you're going to use your front HVAC controls for the fan. Your temperature control is not going to work for it because that is already setting a temperature from its own temperature probe. This will change. You can change what direction it's blowing to your feet, face and feet, or windshield to keep it thawed and keep warm. Your fan will go to full max. Now if you're comfortable and you don't want this unit to run anymore, it's mainly going to be used for air conditioning. You can come back here on the tablet, stop engine, and the truck will idle for a couple more minutes for everything to power down. Again, this is mainly going to be used for an air conditioning setup. Heat if needed. If you have any issues with it, reach out to me and I have controls of it from the computer from wherever you are, and I can look into issues or change settings on it. The main bunk heat source though is going to be controlled by your S-bar heater in these trucks, and that is this square box. You're going to push the power button. It's going to light up. You got a temperature set. Right now it's set at 72. It goes down into the 60s, and you can turn it up to set it to your comfort level. Then to turn it on, just hit the power button and it will light the heater up. The heater is located underneath the bunk. Try to keep any obstructions away from it. That way it does not quit working. And again, to turn that off, you're just going to push the power button. As it says heater enabled, that means it's on. Heater stop, it's turning off. It's going to run for a few minutes to cool down. That's all.